the storage level. Storage level. Let me start it. Okay, today let us see we will just use it in practice. Okay, we'll say about joins. Upload, browse files. Let us have these two files, customer and order tables. Okay, customer and order. We have these two tables. Let us create one data flow first. Okay, I will start recording. So my first source, add source, I will add stream name as customer and I will use this as, let us see joins today. Okay, I will use dataset, blob storage, continue, CSV from the seriation name. Data preview, refresh. See, whenever you don't see data preview, just check this. This should be enabled. Only then you can able to see the data preview. This should be data from table. Okay. So I have 3 records, 101, 102, 103. Let us add one more source. This is orders. And I will create what I'm doing here. How many sources I need to use joins?
Two tables and two sources.
So first one is customer, another one is orders. Right?
Yes.
We have seen our joins. Right? So these all are there. Fine, let us see data preview. How many records we have? Okay, we have 101, 102, and 105. Okay. Now, how many sources? One is customer source, another one is 1 minute, yes. Okay. Hyderabad issues. Okay. Where are we? So we have two data sets. One is customer, another one is orders. Hope you guys remember on what we have discussed on joins, right? What we have discussed on joins? What are the different joins we have?
Full.
Yeah. So these are the two data sets which we have seen. In that, let us see each and every combination and what is the result set. See in the select, what we are doing, we need to have two data sets, customer and order with inner join. Okay, let us see this. See, when I am clicking on this plus on the first data set, I have something called as join. Join data from two strings based on the condition. Let us see that. See, when I clicked on join, okay, see, this is inner join. Okay, what I am going to do, how many tables I need? See, when I'm doing this join, I need to have two tables. One is left side, another one is right side, right? So left side it is customer, and right side it is orders, right? Now, say this. What are these? How many types of joins we have discussed? We have discussed on four joins. Ignore this. I will explain you what is this actually. Okay, that is a cross join. I think we have seen this, right? Even cross join. No,
Yeah, you said
Cartesian.
Cartesian join.
Exactly. Cross join, Cartesian. So if you don't join this properly, what will happen? It will result m into n, right?
Yes.
So this is that join, cross join. Okay. Now we are discussing about inner join. If you go and keep your mouse over it, it is showing what it is showing. Only matching rows from customer and orders. This is what we have discussed, right? What we have discussed about inner join. What is inner join? Common data between two tables. That means whichever is joining. But if you look at this on the condition, right? When we have written our statement, we have something called as condition here, right? If you are joining two tables, you should have a condition, right? So that condition is nothing but this one. See here, this is not taking properly, right? So let us open this expression builder. Customer at customer dot style. You need to type, say like this. It is not displaying. Our screen size is bit bigger. It is not showing up. Okay. Cust ID. See, if I pressed down arrow in the keyboard, only then it got displayed. Right. So normally, a view point of view, as in your screen, if it is displaying, select it from that list. So you are having this. See this. If I am pressing down arrow, it is showing all the columns on keyboard. On keyboard, if you are pressing down arrow, then it is showing. Or if you are unable to select, then click on this open expression builder and select. See, it is showing orders. Why it is showing orders at the rate customer ID, but others order ID item prices normally? Anybody? Exactly. Common means it is same column name. Say this cust ID, it is same column name in both the tables. How we have given in the select statement, order dot customer id, customer dot customer id, right? Same way even here also, customers at the rate, sorry, orders at the rate custody. See, cust at the rate custody, order at the rate custody. So when we have seen this, for other columns it is not taking that, right? So we are joining these two tables and we are using inner join. Now, look at this. We have given two streams, left side data, right side data, and we are using this join type as inner join, and we are checking this. Let us do data preview now. Click on refresh. What should be our output? This is the data. What should be our output?
Common data between.
Common data. What we have given, where is 105? This data is not available. 103 is not available,
Not.
right? So Why 103 and 105 is not coming? Because only 101 and 102 records are available for the customer ID. See, whatever I have written here, it has displayed, right? See this. Got it?
Yes.
So this is inner join. Okay. And what you can do, you can just have one more sync, right? I'm just explaining one by one. Just you can have a sync. You can keep this data set somewhere in the blob storage, continue, delimiter, or you can choose your JSON file as well. Whatever, it's up to you. Blob storage, and let us take container. Let us have the same. Okay, and click on OK. Let us see this. And if you look at this data preview, see other options will be same. How what we have discussed in the sync. Okay, says this is the data set which is going to populate in the file. Okay, same way, what if you use this one as left order jump, same columns. I am using left order jump. Okay, so data preview, refresh. What should be the data set? Left order jump.
All rows from the left table.
Exactly. See
And
this 103 and order customer ID is null. Customer details populated, order details are populating it as null. What we have discussed, left outer join. What is the left outer join? All rows from left table. Which table is in the left side in the join?
customer.
Customer. So what data you are getting it? All the data 101, 102, 103. You can have doubt why we are getting so many 101s, because 101 customer ID is having multiple orders, Fevicol, eraser, pencil, pen, all these things. So you are having that combination. So that customer has multiple orders. That is the reason you are getting 101 as 4 times. Order 2 has only one record, so it will show only one time. 103 C103, all rows from the left table, and right table columns data will be displayed for the matched rows. What does it mean? For 102 and 101, what is the right table?
Orders.
Order, order right table columns will display data for the matched records, and for unmatched rows of right table column will be null. What is the unmatched row here with
One
respect to customer and order?
or three, sir.
103. You don't have, right? Orders doesn't have any 103 data. See, it doesn't have 103. Customer is having 103. So your left join 103, it is showing customer data 103, but order details are showing as null for the unmatched record. You may get out. In orders, you have 105. Where is this? Why 105 is not displayed?
It is in
Why?
the
Because it is left outer join, and in the left outer join, our left table is customer. So we will display only all records of customer, not all records of right table. Is it clear, guys? Whatever we have discussed on the left outer join, see, it has displayed all rows, right? And for the matched rows, 101 and 102 customer ID, it has displayed the values for the right table column. That is nothing but your order table. and for the unmatched rows of right table columns will be null. So this is unmatched row. And the right table columns for the unmatched rows are displaying as null. Okay. Same way, what is right join? It is vice versa of left. That means when you are using left join, it will consider all records of left table. When you are using a right table, see, match rows and unmatched rows from orders. Matched rows and unmatched rows from customer left orders. So right table, now right table, what is the right table?
Orders.
So what should be our data? What should be
Right
our
side
data?
table.
It should
Orders.
show
Orders from the right table.
common data, inner join data, as well as series 105. Now, order details came. Order details came as output. What about the customer table?
Customer is just null.
Customer name, phone number, age, it is displaying as null because left join will display left table records. Right join will display all rows of right table. In the orders table, we have 105, but not 103. So 103 is from the left table. We are least bothered. But right table, we have this 105 and customer details are not available. So it has not displayed any data for the unmatched records. It will just show null for the left table. Okay. Same way, if I choose full logarithm, see the diagrams. We have seen this diagram, right? This is what I have shown you before explaining you about the joins. This is common data at the center. This is left table full records. This is right table full records. Full join means
All
what
rows
we have
from the
discussed.
left
Full
and
join.
right.
Common data plus left side table and right side table.
Exactly.
All this.
So it should give inner join data, that is common data 101, 102, and unmatched records of left table, unmatched records of right table. This is full join. What happens if you use this cross join? See this. For cross join, for all these things it asked for columns. For cross join, what it has done? It is asking us an expression. So I will use 1 equal to 1. Now see the data preview. Refresh. How many records for cross join? How many we have discussed for cross join? Table has m rows, table 2 has n rows,
Into
result will be m into n, right? So what was our result set here? What we have discussed? Full join, cross join. So total 3 into 6. How many records? Customer
18.
has 3, right? How many? Customer has 3 rows. Orders have 6 rows. So cross join, what is the result? 3 into 6.
18.
What it is doing? See this 101. It is going for order 1, order 1, order 1, order 1, all order 1, order 2 for the same 101. Right? See this customer ID. Here we have 105. This is what I have given here. For 101, this combination. Order 1, order 1, order 1, order 1, 102, 105. So 101, 102, 102, 102, 105. This is one set. Same way for 102 as well. 4 101s, 102 and 105. Same for 103 as well. 4 101s, 102, 105. That is what I have given here. Right? This is the cross join result. You may have doubt why we should go for cross join. Cross join is used to get all combinations all combinations. You need to identify all permutations and combinations. Then what you need to do? You don't have any common data. Just go for it and enter. Normally in interviews they will ask. Even our one of our team members, they asked for all combinations. Like let us have you have a team of four. Let us take now T20 matches are going on. Each group has four teams. Okay, for these four teams, they will ask to have the match scheduled. How you will do that? For the same table, say group A, you have, let us take this one. Group A, group B. Group A has team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4. You need to have matches like T1, T2. Okay, T1, T3, T1, T4. And you will also have T2, T3, and T2, T4, and again T3, T4. These are the matches which you need to have, right? So what we will do, we will use something called as self join. We'll call it as self join. That means let us have this table is teaming. And what you will do, you will write a join, select from team A team A as a join, we'll use cross join. Team A, B on 1 equal to 1. What will happen? Let us take, I will use as A dot team 1 comma B dot team. So what it will have? It will have all combinations m into n, same, right? Same table, right? Output will be first T1, 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 T2, T3, T4, right? Same way, you will have same combination again. But here it will be T2 and same combination here T3, same combination here T4. Okay, you have all these combinations. Now in these combinations, you already have T1 4-1. You don't want T4 T1. You already have these combinations, right? Same team again, you should not match, right? For this, what we will do, we will use, and say this is how it is. It will give all combinations. On top of this, what we will do is we will have one where condition, where A dot team greater than B dot team greater than or less than, whatever the condition you need to give. Once you use this condition, it will avoid, see, same matches. Team cannot play by self, right? So first it will remove the self matches. Okay. And it will also do this one. T2, T1, vice versa matches. Okay. T3, T1, T4, T1. Same way. This T2, T3 will be done, and this one will be. With this simple condition, you will get this output. You just use self join with one condition to get a proper result of having the self join. Okay. So first, you without where condition, what will happen? You will get all combinations. Okay, I lost all these things, right? It give all combinations. On this all combinations, when you use this condition, where condition, it will remove self joins, self same set of data. Okay, T1, T1. I think I removed it. Okay. T1, T1, T2, T2, T3, T3, T4, T4. It will remove that, as well as it will remove the duplicate combination. Okay. So in that way, we can use this join condition. On this join condition, if you want to filter, so this is what it is. Where condition is nothing but your filter, which we have seen. So that we can perform, we can filter, we can sort, we can do all these things. Okay, so let us publish all these things. Let us save. Okay, and at the end you will have this thing. You know this, how you need to do. After this, just take this data flow, copy paste, move that into a pipeline, run and see. Okay, 48 I need to talk of. Any doubts? Is it clear, joins? This is the only reason I asked you to guys to practice joins. Now, who is that? Repeat. Repeat. ఒకటే ఏ జాయిన్ అయితే సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తావో అది ఒకటే, 4 కాంబినేషన్స్ ఎప్పుడు కావు. నువ్వు ఒక సెలెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ లో ఒక ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ రాయగలుగుతావు. అవునా, ఇప్పుడు 2 టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 2 టేబుల్స్ కాంబినేషన్ లో నువ్వు ఏం చేయగలుగుతావు? ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ నీకు ఇంకో థర్డ్ డౌట్ రావచ్చు, నా దగ్గర 3 టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఒక 2 టేబుల్స్ మీద ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ చేస్తావు. ఆ వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్స్ తోని థర్డ్ జాయిన్కి వెళ్తాం. అది మనం నెక్స్ట్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ మీకు ఈ 2 టేబుల్స్ మీకు అర్థమైతే థర్డ్ టేబుల్ ఎట్లా జాయిన్ చేసుకోవాలన్నది చూడొచ్చు. ఓకే, 2 టేబుల్స్ తోని ఒకటే జాయిన్ ఉంటుంది. ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ చేస్తావా? నేను మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ డేటా ఫ్లోస్ ఎందుకు క్రియేట్ చేయాలని అక్కడనే మీకు ఆప్షన్స్ అన్ని చూపించిన ఒక్కొక్కటి. మీరేం చేయాలా? ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ సెపరేట్ చేయాలా, లెఫ్ట్ జాయిన్ సెపరేట్ చేయాలా, రైట్ జాయిన్ సెపరేట్ చేయాలా, ఫుల్ జాయిన్ సెపరేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్సో క్రాస్ జాయిన్. ఒకసారి జాయిన్ చేసి డేటా, మీకు డేటా చూస్తే, డేటా అర్థమైతే మీకు జాయిన్స్ చూడంగానే మీకు డిఫరెన్సెస్ తెలుస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇది ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ యూజ్ చేస్తే ఓన్లీ కామన్ డేటా వస్తుంది. సో నేను వితౌట్ యూజింగ్ డేటాబేస్ సెలెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ రాయకుండా, ఏది డేటాబేస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయకుండా, ఐ హావ్ రిటర్న్ ద అవుట్పుట్. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. నాకు ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలుసు కాబట్టి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయకుండా, ఏడిఎఫ్లో వేయకుండా నాకు డేటాని చూసి అవుట్పుట్ ఎలా వస్తుంది అనేది తెలుసు. సో యూ షుడ్ బీ ఇన్ సచ్ కేస్. నేను నీకు ఒక టేబుల్స్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్లో ఇస్తే దాని అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి అనేది నువ్వు చెప్పగలగాలి. ఓన్లీ దెన్ యూ విల్ బి ఫెమిలియర్ విత్ దిస్ జాయిన్స్. ఓకే, శాంపుల్ డేటా తీసుకోండి. స్టూడెంట్ మార్క్స్, స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్ఫోలో నీకు స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది. స్టూడెంట్ మార్క్స్లో స్టూడెంట్ ఐటీతోని వాడికి ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ మార్క్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఒక్కొక్క రికార్డ్ ఒక్కొక్క సబ్జెక్ట్, స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి, సబ్జెక్ట్, మార్క్స్, స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి, సబ్జెక్ట్, మార్క్స్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాము? ఆ రెండు జాయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం డేటా వస్తుంది, ఎలా వస్తుంది, అది మీరు అనలైజ్ చేయగలిగితే, నేను చెప్పిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు ట్రై చేసారనుకో, మీకు తెలుస్తుంది మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా. మీరు అది కాకుండా నేను చెప్పిందే చేసారనుకో, మీరు డేటా ఎంట్రీ చేస్తున్నారు అంతే. ఇట్స్ ఆఫ్ నో యూస్. మీరు స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకోండి, ఎంప్లాయీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకోండి, ట్రై చేయండి. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ డౌట్స్, యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ క్లారిఫికేషన్స్. అప్పుడు మనం డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే
సార్, 1 minute, అది జాయింట్స్ నోట్స్ ఒకసారి చాట్ లో పింగ్ చేయరా?
ఆల్రెడీ ఉందబ్బా, అన్ని ఉన్నాయి.
ఉన్నావా అన్న?
చాట్ లో స్క్రోల్ అప్ చేస్తే అన్ని ఫ్రమ్ డే 1 ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని చాట్లోనే ఉన్నాయి.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే, ఒకవేళ లేదు అంటే ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా చాట్ లో ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే మొత్తం ఒకటేసారి పేస్ట్ చేయలేదు.
ఓకే.
సో చాట్లో నువ్వు పైనకి వెళ్తే మొత్తం నేను స్టార్టింగ్ చెప్పిన సెషన్ దగ్గర నుంచి అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి.
నా దాంట్లో కనిపించట్లేదు సార్ నా ప్రొఫైల్లో.
ఓకే, ఆ నోట్స్ నేను ఒకసారి శ్రీకాంత్ షేర్ చేస్తా. ఆ నోట్స్
ఓకే.
ఉండేది అది కూడా తీసుకో. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
నేను స్టార్టింగ్ చెప్పిన స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ అన్స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ నుంచి అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి.
ఓకే.
ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
ఫైన్. ఓకే గైస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.